Okay, in the figure shown, the measure of angle AED is 121. Where is AED? AED, 121 degrees. Which of the following statements is false? Okay, well, the measure of angle AEB is 59. Well, 59 degrees plus 121 adds up to 180. These are straight angles and they add up to 180. That's actually true. True. So we're going to ignore that one. That's not the false one. BEC and AED. AED is the one that we just traced out. AED, the one that was given to us. And they're saying, what about also angle BEC, B to E to C? Well, they are formed by opposite rays here and here, and here and here, and therefore they are vertical angles. That's also true, so we're not going to count that one. Let me erase the marks again. Angle AEB, right here, and angle BEC, right here, are vertical angles. No, that's not vertical angles. Those are complementary pair. We call it a linear pair because they form 180 degrees between them. They're not vertical though, so that's no good. And finally, the measure of angle BEC is 121. Well, we just already determined before that these two angles are vertical angles, BEC and AED, the one that they gave us, vertical angles, they're congruent. So we know that if they gave us the original measure of 121 for AED, then BEC should also measure 121, and it does. So therefore, we're going to say, nope, that one works. So which one is false? The false one is C. Okay, this angle and this angle are not vertical angles. They are a linear pair.